If you are planning to visit Sapa, Vietnam soon, here's a guide or itinerary of our first day. Upon arrival at the airport, insert your international silk card. Ours was purchased on Shopee. I'll just include the link on the caption. It is easier to use. Just turn on your data and it's ready to use. Next, if you have enough time, you can withdraw cash at the airport. Hanapin niyo yung Agribank ATM machine para mura ang fees. We skip withdrawing cash at the airport kasi almost 7:30 na that time and until 7:45 only ang pick up ng bus. We book HK Sleeper Bus on Klook. Better to book one day before your arrival para sure na available pa yung slots na prefer nyo. Better ang lower cabin kaya ito ang binook namin kasi mas flat yung bed niya. Plus hindi rin masyadong magalaw. 8:14 AM na dumating yung bus kasi kami pala yung last na ipipick up dahil manggagaling pa sa Hanoi Old Quarter. Ito yung mga inclusions. And merong water and wipes. Spacious naman siya. Yan, may blanket. May blackout curtain for privacy. May headset, charging ports, and meron din pala tong massager. 6 to 7 hours ang ride from Hanoi to Sapa. So we arrived at Sapa around 3 PM. After dropping our baggage sa hotel, nag-withdraw na kami sa Agribank which is just walking distance from our hotel. Search nyo lang sa map yung Sapa Center Hotel and tapat lang yan ang Agribank. 3 million VND per withdrawal and that is 7,016 pesos. Yes! Millionaire na nga po tayo pero dito lang sa Vietnam. We had late lunch at Paradise Restaurant. Nag-short stop lang kami sa Sun Plaza to take some photos. And then bumalik na kami sa hotel for check-in. We check-in at Lado Homestay na may pamalakasang view ng mountain and famous red train. This is Superior Mountain View Room, corner and third floor. Meron nga palang cafe si Lado Homes. Dito lang siya sa baba and doon natin i-spend ang last 1 hour before sunset. Doon din natin i-avail ang buffet breakfast na included sa ating bookings. Ayan siya.